2 years after the U.S. Supreme Court declared the Affordable Care Law constitutional, the justices make a key ruling. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Tamika Alexander. In a 5-4 ruling, the Supreme Court ruled that some companies do have religious rights that exempts them from abiding by a provision in Obamacare requiring them to pay for certain kinds of birth control. The religious objection comes from companies like Hobby Lobby, who feel some contraceptives like the morning after pill amount to abortion. The Hobby Lobby ruling could have an impact on other organizations, but where will the line be drawn on who's exempt and who's not? WVUA's Travis Leader continues our coverage in tonight's top story.
Hobby Lobby may not be a religious-based store, but the Supreme Court says that's not a factor in their ruling.
Religion is not their primary mission. Nonetheless, the Supreme Court argued they still did have religious beliefs that were entitled to First Amendment protection. Birmingham-based
TV network EWTN immediately benefited from the Supreme Court's ruling after a lower court used the Hobby Lobby decision in their favor.
The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals in Atlanta granted EWTN an injunction preventing the government from imposing the HHS contraceptive mandate on EWTN while our case goes on to appeal.
The 11th Circuit's decision could save the network more than $30,000 daily, which could also save the network in of itself.
Over the course of a year, those fines could have amounted to $12.5 million or more against EWTN. And that's really a death penalty for any business.
But is it freedom of religion or freedom from religion? That's the debate that has some Hobby Lobby shoppers on the fence.
I think that's their choice, but you know, and then there's the other side is there's people that want the contraception that need and would need the help.
But could other major employers like Walmart now take advantage of this law to get out of certain parts of Obamacare? Political scientists are skeptical.
Walmart would be a very different story, according to the logic of the majority opinion.
That was Travis Leader reporting. Borelli says he expects to see more companies and organizations test the judicial system to further test the Affordable Care Act's constitutionality when it comes to religious freedom.